This is a cool hack if you happen to get a country gig and you want to sound a little bit like a pedal steel guitar that has that sort of mechanical rate to pitch sound. This thing here is called a pitch key. Here's a picture of it. And you can see it rides on the string there. Just sits there on the string, and it has a little piston that pulls the string up and down in pitch. Okay, here's the real deal with, put a string through there so you can see what happens. Now most people put them up on the nut, and that's great, and they work really well. But I thought it might be an interesting idea to put them down by the bridge. Now they have a little extender on them that's supposed to hook to the other string, and it doesn't quite make it on this guitar anyway, down there. So I put that, which is just one of these. You can get these anywhere. It's just a little clip. I just use one of them to extend the clip thing here, which I'll zoom in on. It's very inexpensive. These are only about 40 bucks. Clips, I don't know, about $1 or even less. And I've been playing this for a couple hours and it's just stayed right in tune. What I did here was I tuned this down. And then I raise it to standard pitch, which means when I play a major chord like this, I can go to an add 9, and when I go to the 4 chord, it's a 7, so I can bring that up to pitch. When I go to the 5 chord, I can bring this back down to the 7th, back to the 1 chord, bring it back up in tune. Hope you have fun with that.